Alrighty. You're gonna have a bottle.
Maybe. Mom's gonna give it to us first.
See if we like it. Today is Thursday, September 30th. It's about 9:30 at night. What do you think, Sims? You like your bottle? Dad doing a good job? Say hi, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
Oh. Thank you for feeding me.
This is boob milk.
And there you have it.
Still a little warm.
It was warmed for the occasion.
Is it freshly pumped, Sims?
It's about a day old.
Oh my. You need a bib when you drink a bottle.
Okay, well, we'll go get one. Okie dokie. Alright. Well, we're gonna eat now. Have a good night. Bye-bye.